situation is fuck buddy lang and then nag-I love you.
Yeah, may sinasagot si...
Ayun, kaya tulad na sinabi ko. So, yung sa moment na yun, pag may sa moment na yun, nag-I love you ka, kung ano man meron kayo, as long as, basta hindi kayo in a relationship, hindi kayo committed sa isa't isa, I just want to know, how are you going to react? Kasi para sa akin, tutuloy ko yung moment. Itutuloy ko. Hindi ko siya i-acknowledge at all.
Ako, yun nga. Like I
Kasi
said,
hindi ako magsasabi na I love you din.
no.
Thank you.
Hindi ko rin siya sinasabi na, hindi ko rin siya sabihin na, what? Hindi. As long, I mean, hindi ko talaga siya i-acknowledge at all. I-ignore ko lang siya. Literal.
Ah.
Sa akin kasi worried ako dun sa mga feeling mo babae pag in-ignore mo.
Okay. Magkakaiba kasi talaga.
Oo.
Okay.
At least, di ba, hindi consensus pagdating sa ganito. Ito naman, ang gusto ko kasi feeling ko na-cut during dun sa time na sinasabi ni Marvin. Ito talaga ano to eh. Parang yun yung ano eh. Ano daw? Ano Marvin, meron kang ginawa before na while doing it, the girl said, I love you. And what did you do again?
Hinihibi ako. Kasi nga, normally, ko diba? I like seeing their face.
Oh, eh.
So, normally, missionary position ako.
Hindi.
So,
Okay.
ngumingiti ako.
Hindi ko lang siya ma-imagine, Brad, while doing it. Sige nga, isipin mo. Isipin mo.
Well, technically, I'm acknowledging what she's saying.
Tsaka, was it like a short smile or was it a lingering smile while
No,
doing
it's
it?
a lingering smile. It's a lingering smile.
It's so weird.
It's a little weird.
It's so weird.
Pero it's acknowledging what she's saying without ruining the moment.
How did it not ruin the moment while you were doing
Wait
it? You
lang. Ang tanong doon, Lex, tanong ko lang. Ibig sabihin, pag hindi mo siya in-acknowledge, hindi mo siya sinagot at all, pag sinisira mo na yun mo.
Hindi, sa akin, in my mind, yeah, I'm ruining it. Kasi, parang tinanong, in my mind, I have to say something, I have to do something in return. Kasi, she told me that she loved me, or she loves me.
Pero, did you even think na, if ever na sinabi niya sa'yo yun, I love you so, Marvin, I love you. Tinitigan mo lang siya, tapos,
Ngumiti ka.
inalikan mo. Diba, at some point, acknowledgement na yun.
Yeah, I did. I smiled and I kissed.
Lingering smile ka to.
What? I smiled and
Kasi,
I kissed.
kasi naiintindihan ko siya eh, Lex. For example, sinabi sa akin yun, nasa sitwasyon mo ako, Brad. Nandun tayo sa moment, nagpapump ka, tapos,
Ano, parang plot
nag-I-love you.
no?
Ha?
Parang plot
Hindi nga gago, nagpapump mo, tapos pinangyayalab you sa'yo. Yung acknowledgement kasi pwedeng hindi sabihin eh. I-act mo eh.
Yan nga. Inak ko nga.
Ngitian mo? Putang ina, weird yun, Brad. Kasi nga, imagine mo ikaw yung
No, you have to remember what he said. Sabi niya, tinanong ko, was it like a short smile or was it a lingering smile?
Di ba lingering
Lingering smile niya. So, imagine mo,
ang weirdo, Brad.
It's a sweet smile. Not like
There's
that.
no such
Parang
thing.
si Joker eh. Hindi naman Joker
Kasi
smile.
natin pwede tanongin yung host eh.
there's no such thing as a sweet smile or doing that.
Hindi kasi pwede natin, kung pwede lang tanongin natin yung host eh.
Okay, ask me.
For example,
I'm telling you, it's a good.
oo, hindi. Ano lang, siguro,
It's a good smile.
hindi ako sigilin sa amin.
Not like that.
Pero for example, Brad, sige, nagpa-pump ka, yung moment, climax, nandun. Biglang nag-ilag, kasi nga, nandun na siya sa climax eh. Ang daming pwedeng acknowledge, pwedeng gawin eh. Hindi lang salita eh.
Ano na off grid niya ako eh. Ang dami, of course, oo.
Oo nga.
Kung may time ka mag-isip.
Oo.
Doon sa moment eh. You're in the height of it. Tapos, you're caught in the middle. Di ba?
Imposible.
Shit,
Kung,
hindi na-
kung gawain, kung expert ka, may isip mo yun.
Yun nga, hindi
Kasi-
naman ako expert.
Kasi
man.
kung ako, Lex, kung ako nasa sitwasyon mo, sabi mo sa'yo, it's either ignore kita, or may pwede akong pwedeng gawin sa'yo. Say, I love you.
I love myself.
Eh,
Hindi
yun
ka
na
kita.
lang.
Oh, I smile. Then I kiss.
Ito, tatanungin ko kayong dalawa.
What? What?
Kasi,
Weird.
What? Ba't natatawa ka?
Okay, sige. Ano yung tanong?
tatanungin ko kayong
Ano yung
dalawa.
tanong? Okay.
Kasi, parang kayong dalawa, murderer of love.
What? No.
Ito, ikaw kunwari.
Mm.
Isida muna ah.
Mm.
Judging from a, you're telling me that from a widower.
Mm.
Sa bagay.
Mm.
Hindi, sida.
Mm.
Oh, sita. Okay lang ako.
Hindi, Jared, ano yan? Okay.
Nagme-make love kayo. Ikaw yung fall. Nag-I love you ko ngayon. Inignore ka. Anong more feel mo?
Oh, magandang yun. Reversing situation.
Ang tanong kasi dyan, Brad, hindi ko kasi na-experience, which is,
Hindi
yan yung
na
ayoko
bakit
eh.
nga
Hindi ko masasabi. Bakit?
Hindi, ma-imagine mo kung ano.
Magiging bias ako sa sarili ko.
Hindi, nag-I love you ka. Tapos,
Yun nga eh. Hindi ko nga siya may-imagine, di ba? For example,
Sa akin kasi,
kasi magiging bias ako sa sarili ko eh. Which is hindi ko pa nga na-experience eh.
parang ma-feel ko yung dati.
Hindi ba?
Parang nag-I love you ko tapos.
Nag-love you.
Ayoko maging magpaka...
Parang.
Ayoko ikaw yun. Kaya tinanong mo sa...
Hindi.
Ayoko magpaka-hypocrite.
Ano lang.
Unang-una,
Hindi naman nag-I love you. Parang,
kasi situation na yung sinasabi mo. Pwede kong sagutin siya ng... Ang tawag din? Hindi siya realidad. Kasi
Di ba?
hindi siya na-experience eh. Kasi magiging bias ako. Sasabihin ko talaga, hindi. Paglalab ko na hindi. Gets naiintindihan
in
mo.
the first place kasi, bakit ka nakipag-ganun sa kanya? Dahil lang...
Hindi ko.
Hindi na nga, wala naman tayo dun sa context ng morality eh. Ang context is it a deal breaker if you
Oo,
know?
kung nag-i-love you.
How while
Yes.
doing it. Pero talagang pinakapanalong sagot na nakuha ko tonight at kahit sa kaninong tao, ito isasagot ko, sagot ni Marvin. Champion ko talaga si Marvin. Ina, I love you, ngiti ang kita ng matagal.
Weird yun.
Oo, parang okay lang yung quick smile, parang,
Kasi, hindi ko siya niisip hindi ko siya pinag-isipan, kumbaga. Naisip ko lang sa bigla, kung sa akin nangyari yun, i-acknowledge yun ng halik.
Tsaka there are so many ways to acknowledge that or to kill it down.
Kasi sinasabi
Pero
ko siya
punyeta.
ng pabalik eh.
I did kiss her naman.
Oh, after the lingering smile.
After the lingering smile.
Wala mo problema.
No judgment.
It's just to show that I appreciated what she told me.
It could be, you could have said something along the lines of, yeah, I love myself too, or thank
Hindi
you.
ko sasabihin yan. I won't do
No,
that.
that's even worse.
No, it's
Sabi
not.
si-
Wait lang, I wanna ask that. Is it
Sinabi
worse?
si, ano,
If I say I love you, I love myself too, okay.
What the fuck? That's gonna kill it on. I mean, come on.
Kuya Da, from Samantha Florendo. Kuya Da, situational, answer.
No! I-acknowledge kitang kiss lang.
Yeah. I mean, I think that's the most decent way that you can
I'm
handle
still
that.
gonna smile.
Oh God. I admire you for so many things, but this is not one of those. It's not one of those
Yeah,
things.
I'm just
It's
gonna smile at you.
Zam,
I'm
sorry.
still not gonna kiss you, di ba? I'm
pero-
still gonna kiss you.
I'll answer Zama. Zam, if ever nangyayari sa akin yun, kiss back lang. Yun lang.
Hey, Zam. What's up?
From Baguio. They're
Zam from Baguio.
our friends from Baguio.
Oh. Hi, Zam. Friends of the Pinky from
Alexa's
Baguio.
here. You're gonna meet her soon.
Okay. So, sige, na-establish na natin na you guys are so weird.
Wait lang. Mas weird to eh.
Ako nga eh.
Kasi nag-I love you to
Hindi,
siya eh.
ako kasi,
Nag-I love you back
Ha?
siya.
No, yung una niya sagot was nagha siya. Tapos yung parang nagkaroon ng reverse situation na nag-I love you siya, tapos hindi siya in-acknowledge? Was it like that?
Hindi. Iba.
Ano?
Ano?
Sinabihan ka thank you.
Hindi. Parang kulang hindi eh. Buti sana kung thank you. Wala. Wala ako. Nakauwi na ako. Ano ba sa ina mo? Tapos lang natin ah.
Ginamit mo no? Parang gano'n.
Ginamit mo lang ba to?
Tangina, lalaki na ginagamit ngayon.
Actually, yeah.
Oo nga. Ba't
Yeah.
ganun?
Totoo ba?
Yeah.
Well, hindi ko pa na-experience. Kasi doon nagpapagamit eh.
Oh, God.
Ako okay lang.
Let's not.
Hindi nga.
Go.
Okay, next question. Do you ever fake enjoyment during sex?
I did. I
No.
did.
So, every sex that you guys had, you actually enjoyed it?
Para sa akin, I have to.
No. I mean,
Eventually, pag nakaraos ka eh, consider na nag-enjoy ka eh.
No, it's here's the thing. Wag yung gano'n na parang ang end game mo is to get off. Pero alam mo yun,
Hindi,
like
hindi.
never like the sex is lousy and you're just faking it.
Hindi mo nag-fake.
Some sex are lousy. You have to.
Yeah. And I
But
admit.
ang lalaki, sa umpisa, aminin niya yan o baka ako lang. Sa umpisa wala tayong gana eh. Pero sa moment, pag nandun na tayo sa moment, na-enjoy na natin.
Yeah.
Sabi niyo kung mali ako.
Oo.
You want
Pero minsan kasi it's really lousy.
Yeah,
I
some
mean,
sex are lousy.
Hindi naman yung, I'm not just saying about the partner. Minsan the timing, the ambience, I don't know.
Okay.
Pero minsan yung timing talaga mali.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Agree.
Oh,
You're not gonna be able to enjoy it.
Okay. Oh, Miara's back. Hi, Miara. So,
Hey,
so to
Miara.
answer, so ang question niya is ano ang topic. So, these are questions that girls want to ask guys that we fail to ask because it's about sex. So, basically, it's a question and answer portion for the guys. So, that's why sila lang yun nandito.
Miara, ang dami mong na-miss.
Oo nga.
Okay, so sige. You never faked it? Even once? Golden boy ko talaga to si Da forever.
Hindi na to.
Always find a way to
I'm
make
just
things
being
bright and
honest.
sunny and ikaw? Lahat na enjoy?
Rabbit ako.
Miara, question sa...
Rabbit.
Miara, you know what? Help me out. Kasi I need your help. Because ako lang yung nagtatanong. So I want opinion from other girls kung ano yung mga gusto nilang tanongin sa guys about sex. Because this is actually PSA.
Diyan, kung nandiyan ka pa.
To my girlies out there, please help me out. Okay, so, ang nagsabi lang talaga ng he was able to fake it, si Marvin. Anong initian mo ulit?
Hindi ah. Hindi, for me kasi, it's... Kasi alam ko at that time that she's done. I mean, she's alright.
Okay.
She climaxed. So, just to, you know what I mean, right?
Yeah.
Parang sinabi mo, tapos na ako. Pero hindi pa.
Tapos na siya,
Just to make her...
nawalan ka ng gana because he's
Yeah.
done. And wala na siya nung
Hindi na ako
parang...
nawalan ng gana because she's done. It's,
So, yun ba yung ibig mong sabihin? Yung tipong nasatisfied namin yung partners namin, pero hindi kami natapos.
Oo.
Yun ba yung
No. Like,
oh, yun
meron
yun.
kasing mga like, there are sex na between people na talagang it's damn lousy. Like, ano to? What the hell are we
It took
doing?
so long
May mga ganun eh.
that I got exhausted.
Oh,
Na I just want her to get there.
okay.
Yun. Pero when it's my turn, wala na ako energy. So I just just gave it to her and faked it.
yeah. Pero to begin with, you were enjoying the sex. It
Yeah,
just so
yeah.
happened that it was really, really long.
It was just
Too long, okay.
I just wanted her to get there first.
Okay. Ang sabi ni Miara, Dami niyang na-miss. Okay, sabi niya, sure babe, come on, help me out. Kasi, I need women's opinion. Like, ano yung ba yung... Ask away. Like, I'm just gonna read it. Ask away, Miara. There's are things that you wanna ask. Okay, so, sige, let's wait for Miara, but while doing that, so actually, I see Marvin, it's still, he was enjoying it, but it was taking too long. So, basically, na-enjoy mo pa din. You did not have to fake it. I don't know, but because, hindi ko alam kung sa akin lang to. Sa aming mga girls kasi, it's so common na pagka, kunyari, we did it with someone. Tapos mapag-uusapan talaga na, oh, was it good? Nah. Are you gonna do it again? Nah. Yeah. May mga ganon.
Kasi mas naniniwala kayong mga lalaki, kapag yung mga girls nag-uusap-usap, sobrang mas wild kayo.
We're very detailed.
As in detail.
We're very detailed.
Hindi nga kami ganun ka-detail eh.
Hindi
Yeah.
kami ganun.
Mag-uusap.
Yeah, I know. Guys are not like that. But with girls, grabe, sobrang mabubuo mo na yung entire scene sa utak mo. Yun.
Right? Di ba? Okay.
And then, wait, there's nothing. That's how women are. Okay. Does it matter to you if your partner doesn't finish every time?
Yes.
Of course.
Oo naman.
Kasi nakakalalaki sa amin pag hindi natapos.
Oo.
Oh, talagang ang end goal nyo is for your
To
partner to.
satisfy.
Kasi para sa amin, baka para sa akin lang. Baka para sa akin yung sasabihin ko. Para sa akin, kasi once na sasatisfy mo yung partner mo, wala siyang reason para magloko.
Okay. So, ito na yung question ni Miara. Thank you so much, Faye, for this one. Okay. Question. I don't know kung natackle na kanina. Actually, hindi pa. But, I wanna know kung nafo-fall ba kayo after first sex kahit nasa getting to know stage pa lang.
Good question. For me, no.
If it's like, damn good sex. But you have to admit you wanna do it again.
Of course.
It's a plus.
It's a plus.
It's a plus. Pero
Pero-
not necessarily you're gonna like fall
In love
over
agad?
heels.
No.
Hindi naman.
Hindi.
Kasi it still boils down kung, as I've said, di ba kanina,
Yeah.
how you treat us.
Yeah. You know what pala, Miara? Disclaimer lang. Alam ko, sobrang, kanina pa kasi to, it was tackled earlier. Sabi nila, it doesn't matter. Talaga nagmamatter pa rin talaga. Even in bed, nagmamatter, malaking factor pa rin talaga yung being treated right. So, I don't know if it was mind-blowing for me. I thought if you're good in that, then you're just good to go.
Maraming instances na yung lady is not really good in bed, pero they're good as a housewife, with the kids,
Yeah.
with as a wife. That's actually good enough. We don't really have to be good enough.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Kasi it boils down to that eh. Na if you're really good with the kids, you're really good at home.
But here's the thing, we're talking about, sexual pleasure. So, magmamatter pa din, like, yung pagkatao ng babae, when it comes, when we're talking about, doing it in bed, like, importante pa din na, I mean, this is just in generally speaking, na, okay, slash off natin yung fact na, good mom siya, ganito siya, she could be a potentially good wife. So talagang nagbo-boil down pa din dun. Malaking factor pa din yun sa inyo guys.
Personality.
Oo naman. Sa akin at least, ha?
Sa akin.
Kasi look, yung sorry I'm just being
brutally honest.
Yeah.
Right.
I'm just... Shit, nawala yun ako. Oh.
May ilaw dyan. Wala siya. Hindi dyan sa akin.
No, natanggal, I think. Hold on. Ako na. Wait, let me... Na-disconnect siya. There you go.
Ah,
Yung link.
Yeah, because it was properly.
Ayan.
Yan, okay. So, yun nga, my question nga. So, talagang ganun pa din? Magbo-boil down pa din sa ganun?
Look, kasi if you look at it, yung alaga sa bahay, how you're with the kids, how you as a husband, or sorry, as a wife, how you are as a housemaker, you can't buy that.
So, okay lang na hindi siya magaling in bed?
But
Mm.
yung sex, whatever, sex life, whatever, that you can buy.
Okay.
Actually, yung tanong ni Alexa, sobrang ganda. Yung sinabi niya, kaya i-provide ng babae, lahat ng pangailangan sa bahay, pangailangan ng
But, you know,
she's
she's the total package minus the
pwede siya
bed
magaling sa
part.
Pero mas importante kasi yun.
But would it matter eh? Kasi yun yung question ko. Would it matter in the bedroom?
Ako, para sa akin,
Actually, minimal na lang ano.
para sa akin,
Mm.
yung sa bed scene, na-explore niyo pa yan eh. Sobrang magagawa ng paraan.
Magawa
Okay.
ng paraan.
Oh, okay.
Pero-
So, learning curve siya.
Mhm. Pero yung paano si wife o si partner sa in general sa bahay,
Sa bata.
sa
That makes her
Oh.
sexy.
Of
Oh,
course.
yun.
Amazing.
Yes.
I love you guys.
Yun
Okay.
Yun ang nagmamatter talaga.
Sobra.
Kasi yun nabibili.
Mhm.
Okay. So, another question from Niara. Thank you, girlie, for doing this. Big deal ba sa inyo kapag may multiple body count? This is speaking in
From the
general,
past?
Yeah, of course, of course.
No.
Martin.
Actually, it's a plus sa akin Yung
May multiple body count. Like, you ask one person na you're trying to, get in bed with. Tapos sinabi, syempre, dumarating kayo sa point na you guys ask each other. I don't know how you guys do it. But, you ask na, parang tinanong mo, oh, so how many guys have you slept with? And then she answered, oh, mga 40, 50, ganon. Does it
It doesn't
matter?
matter.
Wala sa akin.
And I don't ask.
Yeah, I don't ask din naman.
Oh,
I don't
ako
really
hindi,
care.
nagtatanong.
Ako hindi.
Pero it doesn't matter din.
But why do you ask though? If it doesn't matter, but why do you ask? Ano, just
Honestly, siguro kasi tayo mga lalaki, but naniniwala may insecurities tayo eh. Pwede tayong, hindi tayo well endowed, hindi rin tayo good performer sa bed.
Oh,
Pwede. Oh. At least may nag-object. Gusto ko yun.
good objection.
Gusto ko yun.
Sige.
Maaaring kasi may comparison pa rin.
Sabi nga
For
niya,
sure, naniniwala ako sa ibang lalaki, matatanong pa rin natin sa partner natin na malaki ba siya? Magaling ba siya?
hindi, Brad, pero the mere thing that they're not together anymore.
Oo nga. Ibig ko nga sabihin, tayong lalaki, meron pa rin tayong insecurity sa atin.
oh,
Yeah, in a way. Yeah.
Pero, dun lang, hanggang dun lang.
Pero,
Kasi for sure, meron tayong, marami tayong capabilities na
there's
hindi
something
nagawa.
in you na wala sila.
Yes.
Kaya wala na sila eh.
Oo.
And you're together.
Yes.
Diba? Parang ganun
Hindi naman kasi lahat sa bed lang.
Oh, hindi lang naman sa bed lang eh. Pero sa akin, wala namang problema.
Pero sa akin walang
Yung
problema,
mataas na body count.
Pero may questions. May questions lang.
Like, you wanna know if you're at par with the person.
Yes.
Okay,
Questions lang.
normally, dalawa lang naman yun eh. Either you see it in a brighter side na higher body count means that you've been through
Pero,
a lot na-hone mo na yung ano mo. Yung whatever,
hindi siya issue sa akin.
Oh,
At all.
whatever, kung anong, I wouldn't say na mali sa'yo. Or, di ba, na-hone mo na yung, to have a better relationship.
Yeah.
Parang gano'n. Or, there's something in you
That you're really
na may
insecure.
mali.
That
Kaya,
you're really
ang
insecure
taas
about.
ng body count
And
mo.
you're... Oh, okay.
So, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I get it.
Parang
Pero
gano'n.
hindi ko nag-judge.
Okay.
But still, I'm not, hindi ako nag-judge. I'll know
I'll-
habang tayo.
Okay, so another question from Yara again. Pwede pa tong question na to. What's your favorite type of foreplay?
Yun nga, tuloy na sagot ko kanina eh. Hindi talaga ako for my thing, do it for me.
Okay, so Miara, for Martin, serve him. So si Marvin.
Yung favorite ko, petting, clothes on.
Ah, yeah. Kapaan galore, ano?
Security guard ko ba nung araw?
Oo.
Ano, grinding, ganon.
Si Dani kasi kalapati yan, kalapati. Bumaba yun ni Pad, ginawa niya.
Bilisan mo.
Ginawa siya ni Lord na tao.
You are being toasted. Clothes on, no underwear.
Ano ba? Ay, syempre.
Okay, that's your thing.
Yeah, that's my thing.
Okay, how
I'm
about...
not seeing it, but I'm feeling
You can
it.
feel it.
Oo.
You can. I think the beauty in that is you're anticipating what could
Yes,
be.
exactly.
It's very exciting. Okay, so si Da, what's your favorite? This is from Miara. What's your favorite type of foreplay?
But alam naman natin na ito starts with kissing. Diba?
O syempre, kissing. Ano yun, basic.
Yeah,
yun.
it's. Kumbaga, it comes with the package.
Yeah.
Then, petting.
Same thing.
Kapaan galore, tsaka grinding,
Hindi siya kapaan. Para sa akin.
grabbing,
All the way.
ass grabbing.
Okay.
Okay.
Lahat. Kumbaga, papakinamdaman mo lahat ng buong katawan niya. Bago mo pa siya ubaran.
Pareho rin.
May isa ako pala, madalas na ginagawa sa bar.
Hindi mo nga alam yun eh.
Madede ako eh, madede.
What?
Hindi na...
Yeah, nag-decide na siya.
Naalala ko lang, naalala ko.
There we go.
May maalala ka mamaya.
There's a term for that. It's motor boating.
Hindi, motorboat. Pero yun, kissing, touching, grabbing, then
Grinding.
slowly.
Dry humping.
Yeah, dry humping.
Oh, dry humping.
Amazing. Tapos,
Clothes on yan, brad, ah.
close on.
Clothes on.
Dahan-dahan yung
Clothes on.
open siya.
Ito si Da, masarap, masarap.
So, sino boto? Mesa?
Masarap magluto.
O, sabi ni Miara, comment niya dun sa sinabi ni Martin, madede. Ha, 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 ha.
Real time Miyara.
Breastfeeding program.
Miyara kasi, si Martin, dati siya nagtatrabaho sa New Zealand. Papadede ng mga bangka. Nagagatas ng mga bangka. Sawang-sawa siya sa dede ng mga bangka.
But you said you're not a boob guy.
Oo nga, pero yung madalas mo ginagawa.
Before, nung araw, college days namin, nilibig na, no?
Tawang-tawa si Miara kay Martin. Sabi niya, haha, muntik na sabihin, ang sarap mo da.
Gago, okay.
Pucha, broke ba ka ng...
Pero,
Ang drama natin
pero
tonight.
Lex, nung college days namin, kasi
Ano?
ngayon yung nag-iiba yung preference natin.
Yeah.
Pagka when we age, nag-iiba talaga. Ewan ko sa'yo,
Oo naman.
pero sa akin, oo.
Ay, hindi masyado.
Kay Martin, totoo.
Hindi ko sa pumabos.
Noon, Lex to si Martin sobrang boobman talaga. As in.
Sumasabi pa ako dun.
As in. Hindi nga, seryoso, totoo. Totoo.
Boob guy talaga.
Boobay talaga.
Bromance daw, sabi ni Miara.
Malapit na.
Feeling ko, alam mo talaga, may nabubuo na, no? Yung itsura ni Marvin na sinabi ni Dana malapit na parang, tang ina.
Malapit na, Brad.
Panood naman.
Ano naiiba ako eh.
Sino pero question, sinong top? Sinong bottom?
Sa amin dalawa.
Yes, sister. Nandun ka na sa sa mood na ganyan eh.
Siguro ako lang.
Ano ka? Botomesa ka o
Pre, lalabos na.
Shit, huwag ka natin mag-usapan yan, gago.
Ang iba
Pre, ito
ko
na.
sa'yo.
Ipuputo ko na, pre.
Okay, sige. Next
Sabi nga naman ni
question.
Martin, imposible kung utang inalaga.
Eto, next question. What time of the day do you like to have sex? Ako nasasagot. Ewan ko kung tama ako but I feel like it's morning.
Madaling araw.
Actually,
Ako? Hindi, kayo muna. Sige.
evening and morning.
Madaling araw.
Well, you only
Good
get to
night and
pick
good
one.
morning.
You only get to pick
One?
one.
Morning.
One lang. Morning, sabi ko ni. Ikaw.
Madaling araw. Yung chick ako. Umitim lang.
Ako afternoon.
Sige, chick kasi.
What? Ang
Ay,
ina na
hindi.
pala yung chick mo.
Hapon ka.
Oo nga, hapon ka.
Hapon ka.
Hapon ka.
Tuwan-tuwa si Miara dun sa sinong top and bottom. O baka versa. Feeling ko, may nagaganap na versa dito. Hindi nyo alam yun, no?
Ano yung versa?
Versa.
Ano yun?
You swing both ways. You swing both ways.
Okay, ayaw mo mag-comment.
Pero sa padahan.
No! When you say you're top, ano ba talaga i-explain ko to sa inyo, guys? Wala talaga kayo knowledge. Feeling ko may knowledge ka.
Saan?
No, I mean, yung sa, di ba kasi kanina bromance, tapos sabi ni,
Miara, sineseryoso mo masyado.
hindi, it was, ito pa, sabi, sumagot si Miara doon sa sarili niyang question.
Foreplay kita.
Ay. Miara, ha ha ha. Tapos ito, sabi ni Miara, sa kanya daw afternoon.
Afternoon.
Hapon ka din. May naalala ko sa'yo dyan. Puting ina niya.
So, ayan.
Nangising lang para gawin yun.
So, si Miara afternoon. So, sino yung morning ka, madaling gigising ka, parang, teka lang, rise and shine, I wanna do it.
May moment kasi, na-experience ko yun. May moment na...
Totoo.
Okay,
Totoo.
okay.
Tapos, si Marvin, your
Afternoon.
afternoon.
Siya literal na hapon eh.
Delight.
Afternoon delight ako.
Mm.
Sinasalo mo lahat ng biyaya.
Afternoon, matatapos ka
Hapon na,
ng
i-check ka pa,
morning.
hayop ka.
Bakit pa? Eh, nung ano eh.
Okay, question. Is there something you wish girls understood better about guys and sex?
Sino question?
No, it's just one of the questions.
Grabe.
Yung naka-cue sa akin.
Magaganda yung questions ngayon eh. No?
Ganda na.
Magaganda yung questions. Pag-iisipan mo talaga.
Actually, ang bigot na rin.
Siguro ganito.
Ulitin ko for for context. Okay. Is there something you wish girls understood better about guys and sex?
Guys, in sex?
Yeah. Like guys and sex in general. Like you want them to know, but you're afraid to say. O sabi ni Miara, wala lahi rin naman hapon talaga. Madaling araw yung may isang nagising din may manggigising.
Alam mo na, yung mas matigas yung ulo. Yun ang nanggigising.
Pero maganda yung questions. Yung question, yung last.
Yeah, like this is something that, medyo PG-13 na you want.
Kasi pa siya na-experience eh.
Like something that you want girls in general to know about guys and sex.
Kasi, sa akin I get cranky pag kulang. Or pag matagal lang wala.
Ayun. Sabi pala yun ni yung madaling araw, yung may isang nanggising then may manggigising. Sabi ni Denise Isabel Enriquez.
Paano?
Okay.
Sorry.
Yun yung answer niya dun sa question na what time do you prefer doing it? Ganyan. So, si Miara, her answer was afternoon. Si Denise, madaling araw.
Bakit madaling araw? Bakit?
Yun yung preference ni girl, ni
Paano sabi
Denise.
niya? Madaling araw. Oo.
Alam niya.
Hindi rin. Wala ko siya sa.
Sabi ko sa inyo, the bromance is not that strong during this hour.
Sagutin mo nga, Marvin, utang na loob, utang ina.
Ano yan? Ano yan? Ano yan? Ano?
Gusto nyo kayo dito? Ako dyan.
Hindi, diyan ka lang.
Oh.
Uy, kami yan. Yan.
Okay, so, nakaka-32 na question ako. Is there something you wish girls understood better about guys and sex?
After we get off,
No, not really. But it's just, something that yung common misconception about guys na you want girls to understand about men and sex. Like that dynamic.
Paki-elaborate.
Expound. Okay.
Ah.
Ganito, like, for example, yung notion ng mga babae na you guys are fuckboys.
Okay.
There's a certain look na, pag nakita mo tong look na to, automatic, default, fuckboy look yan. Ganyan, stamp. Ganon na. Yun yung common misconception. So, is there something about, you guys, so there's something that you want to explain to girls na
Hindi kami ganun.
hindi ganon or hindi kami ganon in bed in particular.
In bed. In bed, ha?
Yeah. Well, sex.
When having sex?
Hindi. Kumbaga parang kailangan natin patunayan si girls na hindi tayo fuckboy. Literal. Parang ganun.
parang mahirapan kayong dalawa.
Alexa, please help us.
Alexa,
Alexa!
So the weather tonight
ang
is...
hirap ng tanong mo.
No, it's a simple question with a very simple answer. Is there anything that you guys want girls to know that it's you guys are branded, like majority of men are branded.
Fuckboy na? Agad?
Hindi, no, hindi naman yon.
Okay.
But in general about sex, like pagpahingahin nyo naman kami, like ganun yung misconception ng mga babae na gusto nyo ipa-understand sa kanila. O sige, park muna natin yan. Mag-isip-isip muna kahit magnilay-nilay kayo.
Hindi,
So,
maganda kasi yung question eh.
that's why-
Kaya nga tayo na hihirapan sumagot. Kasi maganda
okay,
yung question.
here's the thing. May question ulit si Miara. And what's one thing you've never done that you'd like to try? Na-tackle na natin to
Yes.
kanina eh. Sige, but for Miara's sake, I want you guys to answer it again.
Like for me, yung fantasy ko na stranger, na-meet mo in public, nagustuhan mo siya,
You do it and then you part ways.
yes, yun. Kasi, nagtitigan lang kayo, tapos, last lang.
Okay. Si Marvin, ano nga ulit yung sagot mo?
Spit and swallow.
Spit and swallow kay Marvin. Si Martin,
Inside the classroom with my advisor.
ang disclaimer ay kung ang disclaimer is kung buhay pa. Oo. Kasi ano niya yon, yung grade school advisor niya.
Miyara, sana tulungan namin, nasagot namin yung tanong.
Yun yung mga questions nila. So,
Alam mo, Miyara, sana,
Ay,
from the
si
very
Miara
beginning,
kaya ka.
nandito ka. Kasi, for sure, makaka-relate ka at mas makakatulong sa'yo sa partner mo ngayon.
Kaya gumising yan si Miara. May nanggising.
Yeah,
Okay.
man.
May nanggising
sige, eto, I have a very exciting question for you guys. How do you feel when you find out that your specific someone likes to play with herself using toys, does it turn you off?
Turn mo on.
Gusto ko. Winner talaga yung sagot mo.
Kalapati ka talaga.
It turns me on actually.
Wala na yung leader na gagawin mo sa akin sa harap.
Yeah?
Oh.
Sa akin, pag ginawa mo sa harapan ko ako.
Does it turn you on?
Oo. Sa harap ko, oo.
What do you mean sa harap ko? Paano kung di sa harap mo?
Okay,
Still.
Okay lang, okay lang.
Parang kay Martin, it's meh. Ganun.
As long as na, kanina, ako yung ini-imagine mo.
Actually, you know, ito, sabihin ko na sa inyo guys ha. When girls do that, it's not, they don't have to imagine anything.
Huh? Bakit tayo?
How do you say so?
Ha?
Oh.
Bakit sa akin bumabalik yung
How
tanong?
do you say girls?
Tanong mo kay Miara.
Ganon?
Very engaging si Miara. No, we don't have
Kami kasi
to.
ano eh, pag ginagawa namin yung sarili namin yun, pag-gano'n kami yun.
But you're diba? You're imagining,
Imagination
you're imagining someone. Sa girls kasi they don't have to do that.
Kasi,
Yeah.
kasi para sa akin,
Something that you guys learn.
may share ko lang, Brad, no? Kaya siguro, ang lalaki nagiging polygamous. Kasi hindi naman natin,
Hindi.
wait lang, karamihan na. So, connect me if I'm wrong.
Ano yung tangin na
Connect me,
ganun, tapos huwag mo lang
Wait
iisip.
lang. Kaya nagiging polygamous ng lalaki. Dahil sa porn site eh. Bakit? Kung walang porn site, kung may imagine natin, yung partner natin eh. Kung hindi sila pwede, kung may regla sila, kung as long as hindi sila pwede gamitin. Pero dahil sa porn site,
Excuse me.
wait lang.
Sorry, perfect. Same kami ng question ni Miara. Go ahead, yun lang.
Wait lang. Para sa akin lang to ha. Siyempre, may kanya-kanya tayong opinion. Kaya tayo nagkakaroon ng, kaya naging polygamous ang lalaki. Since di pwede gamitin ang partner natin, nandiyan yung porn site. Since yung porn site, since yung porn na nakapapanood natin, ibang babae, ibang karakter ng kung sino diyan, may imagine natin. Which is, sa isip natin, pwede natin gawin sa iba. Diba? Kaya nagiging polygamous ang lalaki.
Pero hindi ko rin ma-imagine na.
Kasi nga, hindi mo pwede gamitin yung yung asawa mo or partner mo eh. Kaya, yung imagination mo, imagination ng karamihan ng lalaki, huwag gamitin nila sa ibang babae. Tama ba? Hindi ko alam. Para sa akin lang. Kaya naging babaerong karamihan lalaki. Instead na naging focus lang tayo sa isang partner natin. Anong sa inyo doon? Hindi ko alam. Kaya sa akin lang. Good question na yung tanong.
Sa akin kasi ano eh, well, bukod sa, siyempre, yung mga napapanood natin, bukod sa, siyempre, they're blessed with boobs and
Yeah.
butts. You know what I mean?
Habang may partner ka,
Yeah.
di ba? Parang
Di mo naman makikita sa totoong buhay. Unless,
actually nakikita mo siya.
unless maging girlfriend mo si Maria Osawa.
Mm-hmm.
Pero, sa akin kasi, yung act, it's not about the lady. It's about the act.
Please click the blue thing for noise reduction.
Dapat mag-click.
Ang dapat
Yeah. Kasi because of reason. There you go.
Pero Alexa, di ba?
What?
Parang siguro kayong mga lalaki, Ba, para sa akin nga lang, di ba? May partner tayo. Bakit natin nakukuha pa mo gustong tumigil ng iba? Dahil siguro sa napapanood natin na sa tingin ko ba hindi pwedeng gamitin yung asawa natin, yung partner natin.
Hindi ako ganun kasi.
Wait lang. Ibig sabihin, pag di pwedeng, kasi meron o buntis ang asawa natin. Habang gusto natin gumamit or makipag-sex. Magsasarili tayo, halimbawa. May imagine mo yung asawa mo. Ano lang?
Sa akin, sometimes I do. Ako naman, minsan hindi naman lalo, of course. Pero no, minsan na. Kasi, yung mga intimate moments na siya lang ang nakagawa sa'yo.
Oo, intimate.
Yun ang mararamdaman.
Kasi nasa porn, fake siya eh.
Oo.
Baga, hindi naman siya reality.
Hindi naman totoo talaga.
Pero di ba, di dahil nagiging polygamous, na-retramer ang mga lalaki na polygamous dahil yung asawa ko, ganito, yung nangyari sa amin anytime. Which is, pag nanonood ko, pwede pala to. Gagawin natin.
Natatag kasi yung lalaki ng police kasi tayo ang madalas mahuli. Mga babae kasi hindi nahuli.
Hindi sa pagiging huli, hindi dahil dun.
Hindi, para sa akin.
Sa intentions.
Okay.
Sa akin kasi umit ako partner.
So, ganito. Siya na naman yung perfect. Okay na. Okay na. Perfect ka na.
Ni Marvin, yung tumit sa akin eh.